Hello, content writer. Let's dive into the world of ChatGPT and its potential for content creation. ChatGPT, with its advanced AI capabilities, is a game changer in the content writing realm. It doesn't just write content, but it understands your brief and delivers relevant, engaging, and high-quality content consistently. Using ChatGPT for content writing can save you time and money. It's cost-effective, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. Plus, the AI technology ensures your content is top-notch, avoiding repetition or plagiarism issues. But remember, AI tools should be utilized as aids to enhance your creativity and productivity, not replace human writers entirely. ChatGPT can spark ideas and provide initial drafts for you to refine and improve upon. So, embrace this technology for better content creation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tech insights.